Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best water dispensers for home in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. If you are looking for a bottom-load water cooler dispenser that offers a customized drinking experience, this water cooler is the solution you need. With the 3 temperature settings, this dispenser can provide hot, cold, or cool water to meet your needs accordingly. It features an innovative design that makes it an elegant addition to your home without seeming out of place. Whether it is for your kitchen or office, the sleek build of this Avalon dispenser will contribute to the beauty of your interior with its stainless steel cabinet. The integrated night light makes the water spouts visible to avoid unnecessary spills, while the empty bottle indicator will light up whenever you need to refill the water bottle. Since it is a bottom-loading dispenser, you won't have to strain as you lift it after refilling. Number 2. Our second best pick is Primo Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. Another great option, also doubling as the best water cooler dispenser, is this model. It can dispense ice cold, cool, and piping hot water to satisfy any temperature requirements you have at the push of a button. As it dispenses hot water, the child safety lock automatically activates to prevent any hot spills, leading to burns. This makes it an excellent choice for meeting your family's water needs without compromising their safety. The bottom loading design is quite convenient, and it eliminates the need to lift or flip the dispenser while loading. The cabinet this product comes with will conceal your water bottles for an elegant appearance. You won't require any plumbing services with this dispenser. The stainless steel in the door panel, water reservoirs, and removable drip tray add durability to this model, ensuring it will serve you for years. The drip tray is dishwasher safe, which is pretty convenient, and this stainless steel dispenser is ENERGY STAR certified, making it a great fit for your home. Number 3. Our third best pick is Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser. We have this water dispenser, which comes with a full installation kit including tubing, an adapter, and under sink, along with detailed and illustrated instructions. This makes it easy to set up this dispenser without requiring professional assistance. The dual water filters in its water cooler dispenser consist of a carbon block filter and sediment filter built to last up to 6 months, having filtered 1,500 gallons of water. As a result, the Avalon A5 can rid water of hardness minerals and other pollutants to give you clean and better tasting water. The bottleless design reduces the cost of regular water purchases to give your family an accessible means to cold water. The 3 temperature settings allow you to choose between a crisp cold, cool, or piping hot output for a customized drinking experience. With a self-cleaning function, this is definitely one of the best water cooler dispensers you can buy. The feature is responsible for sanitizing and purifying the dispenser, preventing the buildup of bacteria or germs which threaten your health. Additionally, it is a UL and ENERGY STAR certified product with a child safety lock function on the hot water spout, making it safe for the entire family to use without any worries. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is COSTWAY 2-in-1 Water Cooler Dispenser. This water cooler dispenser offers an elegant design that will add classiness to your office or home. It looks great, and it will provide water at the temperature of your choice for a long while. With a built-in ice maker, this dispenser has an ice basket containing about 4 pounds of ice to provide the ice you need when you desire. In 6 to 14 minutes, you will have 9 bullet ice cubes, which eliminate the need for ice trays. It comes with a control panel that is easy to use, which operates the ice maker and sets the output for hot and cold water. The LED indicators give you visual cues on whether the dispenser is on or off and when it is in operation. Whether you want hot water, cold water, or room temperature water, this dispenser will satisfy your needs. The child safety lock on the hot water spout allows the entire family to use this appliance without any concerns. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Primo hTRIO Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. This is one of the best water dispensers on the market, offering a single serve for hot, cool, or cold brews. It can comfortably accommodate up to 20 K-cup pods in the inbuilt drip tray and comes with a reusable coffee filter for making your coffee. The fact that this bottom-loading water dispenser can meet your coffee and watering needs makes it an exceptional option. You can choose whichever water temperature you want, whether ice-cold or piping hot. This dispenser will do it all. You can use this one quite easily since it is fitted with paddle controls requiring no expertise to operate. Say goodbye to minutes of unnecessary waiting as this dispenser fills your glass or bottle in a matter of seconds, thanks to its fast flow rate. The design of this bottom-loading dispenser allows you to load the water without lifting or flipping it over. Plus, the stainless steel water storage will hold water for as long as necessary. Since the drip tray is removable and dishwasher safe, cleaning it is hassle-free. This dispenser is ENERGY STAR rated and UL certified, which means that it is safe to use at home for your drinking water and other needs. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.